In this video, we shall be talking about the various tips and tricks of how you should be well prepared for your interviews and how an interviewer has to be well prepared as well. So, everybody talks about interviewees, everybody talks about what we should be doing in interviews. Nobody talks about the interviewer. Well, the interviewer is also sometimes nervous as an interviewee. Well, if you think no, then you probably don't know it. Okay, so my name is Satyajit Patnaik, guys. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, we shall be talking about the components of a great interview. Let's get started. The first thing I'll be talking about is interviews are always nerve wracking. No matter how many times you have gone through it, the thought of being interviewed can still make you feel nervous. Because when you start applying for jobs, even if in my case, to be very honest, sometimes when I start applying for jobs, I feel like I'm a tiger. I can go and I can rock the interview. Jaunga or phod dunga. But when it is the interview day, that's where the nervousness starts increasing. And it goes to a certain level जहाँ पे आपकी फट के हाथ में आ जाती है, to be very honest. But interviews are also nerve wracking and also tense situation for interviewers. Interviewers को भी डर लगता है भाई. Coming up with great questions while properly evaluating a potential employee takes a lot of focus and preparation. किसको हायर करना है, कैसे हायर करना है, क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछना है, is the question going to be worth it, am I asking a stupid question? All these things comes to the interviewer's mind as well. Plenty of people don't think about it, but the person doing all this asking thing gets nervous too. That's the whole idea. What makes a great interview? Both sides have to be smart. The key is to fully prepare yourself. Coming up with great questions while properly evaluating a potential employee takes a lot of focus and preparation. Prepare great questions. Now, this is one of the slides fully focused and dedicated to the interviewers out there. If you are an interviewer, आप interview लेते हैं, so well prepare on your questions. Coming up with great questions while properly evaluating a potential employee takes a lot of focus and preparation. Learn which questions are able to draw out genuine responses from your interviewees. Which question matters? अगर आप randomly कुछ questions पूछने लगोगे, then the interviewee might think something else in his mind कि क्या चल रहा है भाई? Put yourself in the position of the applicant to see which of your questions are worth asking and which ones can be eliminated. Most of the times I have seen that, well, I'm not telling bad about the interviewers, honestly speaking, but most of the times I have seen interviewers tend to ask questions which they know. It's not all the cases, but in some cases, I have already experienced that. That should not be the case. Always ask questions from the candidate's profile. अगर कैंडिडेट ने क्लासिफिकेशन के बारे में लिखा है तो आप उसको कुछ और पूछोगे तो उसको नहीं आएगा, राइट? Try to deep dive into what exactly the candidate has written in his resume. If he has written certain use cases, try to go deeper into that. Try to ask what exactly is this use case. Try to deep dive into that. Pacing is important. Let the applicant talk. Don't rush through your questions. A great interview sounds just like any other engaging conversation. Communicate with the applicant properly and take time to think about your next questions. Hear them out, listen to them attentively, and absorb their answers so that you can come up with a great follow-up inquiry. Your each and every question should be relatable. First question के बाद second question should not be out of the box. First question and second question का relation होना चाहिए. This is logically a good interview. Be friendly. Interviews are grueling enough. Lighten the mood by maintaining a warm tone and listening to your interviewee intently. In case your interviewee is not up to the mark, don't be very harsh on him Okay, answer truthfully. If you are applying for a job, you have to be honest about yourself and your background. Well, if you have worked on 1 year for analytics domain, just mention 1 year. Don't mention 5 years of experience into analytics, because if you are mentioning that, you can be expected whole bunch of questions related to that topic. If you are doing so, well, expect some tough questions as well. But being honest is one of the most important thing. Let the interviewer know your strong points, but the truthful, but be truthful when they ask about your weak points too. Everyone's trying to sound impressive, right? Interviewer, oh yeah, interviewee, everybody wants to impress themselves. Your best bet is to be as honest and genuine as you can possibly be. What does the company want? This question is something both parties need to think about. Study the company you're applying for and prove why you are the person for the job. Mostly, when it comes to data science and analytics, like, why do I have to drag data science and analytics in each and every topic I talk about? This is a general interview related questions, right? This is a general topic on interviews, but still I have to drag data science क्योंकि मेरा channel data science के ऊपर ही है ना. So that is the reason I have to drag that. Well, this question is something both parties need to think about. Study the company you're applying for and prove why you are the best person. Well, many people, when it comes to data science and analytics, they don't do this kind of research work. Always, it is recommended if you are going for a, let's say you are going for an interview at a telecom based company, if you have written banking based projects, I'm talking about the freshers. If you have written banking based projects, then it might not be of interest to them, right? Of course, if you are experienced, then you don't have a choice. You come from a banking domain, you have to write banking domain use cases. But always do a research about the companies, okay? So that the companies will be thinking कि हाँ बच्चा कुछ तो पढ़ के आया है, right? Don't oversell yourself. Remember that if you're going to be hired, you will have to prove everything you said in your interview. क्योंकि अगर आप अपने आप को ओवरसेल कर रहे हो, यू नो दिस, यू नो दैट, आई नो मशीन लर्निंग, आई नो एनएलपी, आई नो डीप लर्निंग, कंप्यूटर विजन, सब कुछ, कल को यार ज्वाइन करोगे एंड आपको कंप्यूटर विजन पे काम दे देंगे एंड यू डोंट नो, देन यू आर, बोलना नहीं चाहता वीडियो में, एनीवेज. सो डोंट ओवरसेल योरसेल्फ. It's best to be honest about your skills so they have a clear picture of how you can contribute to the company. Be yourself. Nothing beats being your true self. Well, बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉन्टेलेक्चुअल बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, इंटेलेक्चुअल बात कर रहा हूँ, सॉरी. Stand out. It may sound like lame advice, but being yourself helps you shine in a unique and memorable way. Keep in contact. Do not forget to leave your contact details with the interviewer. Some companies are incredibly busy, so let them know you are still very much interested by asking about your application after some time. Try to do follow up mails. Follow up करने में कोई problem नहीं है. Follow up करो. Okay. Some cases what happens is, at least in India, many profiles go into an infinite loop. वो हॉल्ट पे रहता है, इन्फिनिट लूप पे चला जाता है, रेस्पॉन्स नहीं आता है स्टूडेंट्स को. सो इफ यू आर डेस्परेट इनफ, आपको कहीं और से अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रहा है, यू थिंक दैट मैंने XYZ कंपनी में दिया था, वहां पे ही बेस्ट गया था, फॉलो अप करो. ट्राई टू फॉलो अप, ट्राई टू टॉक टू द HRs ओवर LinkedIn and keep following up. But don't overdo this. Employers will get back to you sooner or later with results. अगर उनको चाहिए, they need you, they will come back to you. Give them enough time to evaluate you and other applicants. Be grateful for the opportunity. Being turned down doesn't dictate your worth as an employee. Turn this into a learning opportunity and do better in the future. Stay true to yourself. In the span of your career, you will be given plenty of opportunities to express yourself. Put your best foot forward and show why you are a great person to work with. That's all about this particular video. I hope you enjoyed this content. थोड़ा सा theoretical हो गया, but to be very honest, it's going to be very much helpful if you go through this video. I enjoyed it personally. That was the reason why I made a video on this. And that's it from my side. Stay tuned. Bye bye. See you in the next video.